There was a dog who was always angry. All the time, he either ate and slept, or kept barking at others. He was very selfish too, and did not care for others. He just did what he wanted. One day he had eaten a lot and felt very sleepy. He walked around, but it was very hot outside. So the dog went into the shed, which had hay kept for the cows. The cows were not there, because they were working in the fields. The dog slept in the shed for a long time. In the evening, the cows came back. They shouted,
"Wake up, doggy!"
But the dog would not wake up. Both the cows started shouting angrily.
"Go away! Let us rest and eat the hay!"
The dog woke up. He saw two cows standing outside the shed. The dog felt angry at being disturbed and started barking.
Bow wow! I will not go from here. Bow wow!
We were working in the field. We are tired. You go from here and let us eat,
said a cow.
I am tired too, so I will not go from here,
said the dog. The cows kept asking the dog to leave, but he would not budge. He kept barking at them. The other cows said,
You don't eat hay, so let us enter, and you go away.
I will not move from here,
said the naughty dog. The two cows felt angry with the dog. They were tired, and the continuous barking of the dog made their head pain. When they saw that the dog would not move, one cow said to the other,
Let us shout and call our master.
Both the cows started bellowing. They went on shouting for a long time, and then their master heard them. The master came with a stick. When he saw the dog barking at the two cows, he hit him with the stick. The dog stopped barking and ran away from the shed. Then the two cows ate their food and went to sleep.